And in light of the ongoing complaints from the Canadian Farm Work Program, Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says he will be meeting with a fact-finding team that went to Canada to probe the complaints and working conditions of Jamaican farm workers. More complaints were made last week by a group of Jamaican farm workers in Ontario after their living quarters were flooded with wastewater. Mr. Charles says he has received a full briefing on the recent complaints of Jamaicans being subjected to poor working and living conditions and scheduled the meeting along with other new measures to address the matter.
Requested a comprehensive report from the Chief Liaison Officer regarding the existing concerns and an update of the general activities of the liaison officers in the Jamaica Central Labour Organization. Number 2, the Management Committee, chaired by Permanent Secretary Robert Risden, will review the protocols, guidelines and activities relating to the delivery of service to our farm workers and provide recommendations for improvement where necessary.
Additionally, he says starting tomorrow, a series of meetings will be held with all stakeholders, including the farm workers, Canadian employers, and liaison officers, as the ministry seeks to re-establish the lines of communication with Jamaicans on the program.
We'll highlight previously established communication channels for our farm workers to contact us, and we will identify and action additional platforms for farm workers to freely communicate issues and complaints without fear of victimization.